folks, welcome back to cryptocurrency tutorials for beginners playlist of CoinManisi Global YouTube channel. We are together with another educational video with you. Today we are going to talk about an essential piece of a project, and this is white paper. What is white paper and why is it important? If you're asking these questions yourself, now let's jump into the video. To have more educational content like this for free, you know what is as important as a white paper? It is to subscribe our channel and break the bell. We'll dig into each detail of a white paper. Let's get to know it first. White paper. What is white paper? White paper is an informational. First question is this: what is white paper? White paper is an informational document written by a company or a non-profit organization to promote the features of service, product, or a project. The purpose is clearly influence the current or prospective customers or investors' decisions. So the best example for white paper is, of course, absolutely Bitcoin white paper, right as you see on the screen. And the title of the white paper is super mind-blowing: a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. And now let's talk about what kind of things we will mention right in this video. We will talk about introduction, we will talk about vision and mission, tokenomics, and also any details related to the future of project, roadmap. We will talk about team behind projects, and last we will talk about conclusion. And let's dig into the first one. The project is described basically right in this part. The person or the company talks about the project in a brief way. Okay, to be able to get idea of the project, it's fine to read introduction. And also second one, and the other important part is mission and vision. So we've got basic questions in our minds. What do they dream of? Do they solve a problem? Do you think they are trustworthy enough to be invested? So to be able to decide these kind of things, we will read mission part of the project. And the other part, which is one of the important parts of a white paper, is tokenomics. It's very vital for trust, controlling inflation, and promoting sustainable growth. Strong tokenomics back up the value of a token over the long time. Also, you can check what each profile will use and tokens for. You can check and you can read the tokenomics part of the project. You can get some ideas. And also the other part is roadmap. So this is basically what steps we've got of the project. We've got testnets, we've got mainnets, partnerships, coin burn. Writing down things like this is not enough to influence investors or customers. The most important part is this: they must make it happen. So it's important to check all the steps if they have completed or not. So basically, the sandbox surpasses 100K followers on Facebook. So open Facebook and check this, or check the other details and stuff like that. And as you see, we have 2022. They've got partnerships. In 2023, they will have partnerships, game maker events, games platform, and stuff like that. And the other important part is team behind project. As you see, as an example on Sandbox project, we have core team. We can see the names of developers of the project: Arthur Madrid, Sebastian Borget, Marcelo Santurio, and we can check these names out on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on different platforms to be able to see what they have done. We can see advisors hashed Mikhail Naim, Yatsiu, and the other names. If you believe the project is fine enough to be able to invest it, it's your own decision. You can do whatever you want to do. And at last, we have come to the end of white paper. So this is the part you will decide. If you enough knowledge about the project, now this is the time you should decide. So after reading this, give yourself some time, take some notes on a paper or on your cell phone notes. Try to measure tokenomics and also the other details by comparing the other projects. And that's pretty much it. Now you're closer to pick up your own project. As you know, this is not the only thing. And if you want to learn more, you know where to go. Subscribe our channel and keep the notifications on for more content like this. Stay safe.